here in Atlanta, Georgia for the National SkillsUSA competition, and I will be competing in paired speech.
We're here at the SkillsUSA National Championships in Atlanta. I'm competing in automotive heat refinishing. My experience has been great. It was really valuable, and it was really interesting to see all the different ways that people approach things. It's been really fun.
We've got 3 NIC students competing in the SkillsUSA programs from my program. Competing nationally against all the other first place states is huge. To see their confidence grow in their trade.